Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to install OS Android 10 GSI Rom in any Project Treble mobile. So if you are new to my channel, then I suggest you to subscribe my channel because this kind of videos I daily upload. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to power off your mobile and go into TWRP recovery. If you already installed TWRP recovery in your mobile, then you are good to go. So let's start the video, and first we power off your mobile and go into TWRP recovery, and the download link of this GSI ROM in the description box. You can download easily, and in the next video I will give you the complete review of the GSI ROM, that how much stable is this ROM are and you have to install or not to install this GSI ROM. So stay tuned to my channel, and more videos coming soon. As you can see this, we are in the TWRP recovery. Now first of all we have to click on wipe, and now again click on advanced wipe, and just you have to select only these four option: Delvic, system, data and cache. Only these four option: Delvic, system, data and cache. And now just swipe to wipe. Wipe fail. Now first of all we have to factory reset, because if we not if we not swipe to factory reset, then the wipe Delvic, system, data and cache not wipe successfully. So first of all you have to factory reset your ROM or stock ROM. Now just we have to click on wipe and select advanced wipe, and now just you have to select only these four options: Delvic, system, data and cache. Only these four options, and now just swipe to wipe. As you can see, this update partition done. That's mean that we have successfully wiped the Delvic, system, data and cache. Now just we have to click on reboot. As you can see this, now click on recovery again, because if we not going to treat recovery after wiping the system, data and cache, then we are not successfully installed the GSI ROM. That's why now just we have to wait and not press any button until the ROM is booting. So just patient and not click any button until the ROM is booting. Now just you have now as you can see this OS GSI Rom Android 10 ROM is successfully installed in our mobile. So I hope you like my video, and in the next video I will give you the complete review of this GSI ROM. So stay tuned to my channel, and goodbye.